Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through Grief Worksheets. Grief Worksheets help individuals going through the loss of a loved one, major life change, or any other event that is causing emotional turmoil. These worksheets can aid individuals in overcoming feelings of depression and despair and assist in developing the ability to effectively manage everyday life tasks. This worksheet contains questions concerning the 5 stages of grief, including denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. These worksheets are highly flexible and can meet the needs of psychologists, therapists, grief counselors, life coaches, and more. To use this worksheet effectively, the first step is to download the PDF. You can access this worksheet through our website and app for free. You will then need to distribute the worksheet to your client to complete. Make sure that they complete each section with sufficient information under each stage of grief. Once completed, you'll then need to store the document securely. Keep in mind that these worksheets contain highly sensitive information, and so it is important that you safeguard the patient at all times. Here is an example of a completed grief worksheet. Feel free to pause the screen at any time if you wish to view information more closely. To use these worksheets in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab on the left. There you can filter by notes and by community to view our entire collection. If you would like faster access, type in the keyword grief to find the relevant note. Click on the template by selecting Choose Template, and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab, where you can edit the information according to your needs, customizing to however you would like, clicking Publish when complete.